Our pecan pie recipe is not overly sweet and even more sumptuous. It looks like it's going to rain outside. For some reason, I just think they're in good hands. You can use this recipe for a pie or a tart. You'll need a blind baked shell, whichever one you want. Our dough's been chilling in the fridge for 30 minutes. Roll it out to 1/8 of an inch thick. Give it a quarter turn every once in a while to help keep it even and round. This is the way Big Val's mom taught her to get it into the dish, just like this. Let it slide down into the corners. Don't press it in because you'll stretch it thin in those areas that way. Snip the edge, leaving a 1/2 inch overhang. Tuck it under and crimp the edges. We like to press it between our forefinger and thumb. Looks like we're going to need more of the raincoats, Captain. Then put on your hooker heels and poke holes in the bottom. These holes are going to allow the steam to escape. Man, how do people walk in these? Crumple up an overly large piece of parchment paper, and the paper needs to hang over the edge. That's going to help protect your crust from over browning. Pour in your baking beans or rice and bake for 15 minutes. Hi, Jessie, the storm be brewing. But where's me ship? She was docked right here a moment ago. Hey, is that an ark? Like Noah's Ark? Ahoy! And this is what we do with the rest of the pie crust recipe. Roll it out thin and cut it into cookies. Sprinkle generously some sugar on top and sprinkle cinnamon all over it. Bake these for 15 minutes or until they're a golden brown. And remove the beans and bake for 15 minutes longer to dry out the crust. You two need a lift before this great flood hits your swing set? We're taking them in by twos. What do you do with all the poop? Beat together a 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, pack that measuring cup, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3 eggs, 3/4 of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Hey, there's not much left in the bag there. Let's see how much is left. We're living on the edge now. Yeah, let's put it in. Need me to tie up the trike and motorcycle? I can't believe you found these in Big Val's pantry. Aye, Marina, make sure they don't set sail without us. Okie dokie. They'll be here when you get back. All the pecans will break up into smaller pieces when they get beat in, so no worry about chopping ahead. And finally, the crushed pineapple. You want this to be super drained when you add it in, or your pie can be soupy and dun dun dun, soggy bottom. Place pecan halves around the edge, and you can cover the entire top with them if you want. And bake for 60 to 70 minutes. The middle will jiggle a little bit, but it'll get nice and firm. About 5 minutes. Thanks, Mr. Noah. I'll leave us a good review on the Ark B&B. Just doing my job. We've got 40 days and 40 nights ahead. I knew I should have sabotaged their trike. Jump, jump, no, faster.